Hey guys, welcome to BIPA Forex Trading Academy. So yesterday we have done our technical analysis on GBP USD pair, and let's see like how it is going. Let's open our previous chart. Let's check it here and play if it has played out well or not. So let's see. So the chart is loading here. Oh, nice. So you guys can see this, right? So actually, it's going in a form of higher highs and higher lows at the moments. And on the top of that, you have a 50-day moving average. So I already told you that like this 50-day moving average will act as a support or resistance for us. Whenever the candlestick is below this 50-day moving average, I consider it as sell, and whenever once it crosses that 50-day moving average and breaks this 50-day moving average and then retests this and goes up, it's a buy. So now it's at the neutral position. We need to see like if it breaks and goes higher or not. Before that, let's close this and check the chart today again for GBP USD pair. How is it going on the live chart? So yeah, let it load. Also before that, you guys, we need to check if there is any fundamental analysis for today. So fundamental news for today, let's check out by going to investing.com. So investing.com today, let's filter out by 2 star and 3 star news. Let's apply it. um, Let it load and then let it give the result. Oh, sorry. So today we have like BOE interest rate decision at 5:30 p.m. IST, and then 2 star news. So these are not much important. So one thing we need to concentrate is interest rate decision of GBP pair. Also today we have initial jobless claims of USD news. So these two are major drivers for the day for GBP and USD pairs. So as we are trading GBP USD and we have both the news from the GBP as well as USD, it may be like we may see a big spike or big spike here on the chart, either on the downside or to the upside. So we can expect that this may form a candle like this if it goes down and pulls higher, or if not, we may see big spike upwards or and then closes down for the day. So this thing you can see exactly on the lower time frame, like as I always take the weekly time frame. So let's get down to daily time frame here, and then we can see what was the candle close yesterday. So let me hide all the let me hide these drawings. Let me hide these drawings first, and then uh, sorry guys, 1 second. Okay, let's move this. Okay, so one thing we need to understand here is that, so yesterday close here, it's like it uh, reached to 1.2546, and then today it might test the same point 1.2546. Before that, as we see a rejection at this point from 1.2546 to 1.25, almost like 46 pips we have seen a rejection on daily time frame. So in case if it can sustain above this 1.2.2546, then if it closes like to, today's candle, if it can close above 1.2546, then we can see a more upward momentum here. Otherwise, in case if it rejects the same point 1.2544 or somewhere, if it continues down and closes like 1.2466, then we may expect a short term fall, like it can go back to again 1.24, and then we may see a rise in the candlesticks. So yeah, this is this is what my expectation on GBP USD. So what I am saying here is, let's so in case if it sustains here, okay, let me remove all my drawings first and then draw it again. If it can sustain here, then it goes above, retouches this point and then goes above. If it cannot sustain and closes here, closes below this, then it will go down, test here and then go down, makes a downward move. So you also need to check what exactly it supports. So let's say, as we can see, 2 points have been formed. If it has to come down, so first thing, it will come down till here, like 1.2350 or 1.2370, and then it should show a upward momentum like this point. Okay, then it is forming the channel here, it should form a channel. So yeah, we also need to keep this in mind on when we are trading these things. So one thing, you need to check out the channel, so you need to check out the support and resistance points, you need to check uh, moving average, like where exactly the candlesticks are closing and opening, and then also the oversold and overbought positions on the stochastic oscillator. So yeah, this is what my view on GBP JPY. Let me publish this also for today. GBP USD. GBP USD, still it's a buy for me. Um, it's a buy for me, it as it is forming higher highs and higher lows. So if in case, if if candle closes above 1.2544, then it retests the same support of 1.2544 and it goes higher. In case if it closes below 1.2480, then it retests the 1.2480 resistance on lower time frame, and then it continues to go down. As we have two important news today on GBP and USD, both, we may expect a spike either upward or downward. So I'm just posting my idea as well for reference. Okay, that's it guys on GBPUSD, and let's go with EURUSD. What is happening with it? So let's open this pair. Wow. So yeah, one thing you need to see, like I did not publish this chart on EURUSD, but so if you can see my drawings on EURUSD on day before yesterday, it's like on February 3rd or 4th, I have drawn my lines that it is in a zone. This is the buyer zone and this is the seller zone. It exactly uh, reaches this seller zone and all buyer zone. All the buyers have entered here, and then it may actually go little bit higher and test exactly again the same seller zone. So as I said earlier as well, so this one has to it has to cross this seller zone and then retest it to go higher, as it is moving within a channel or the zones now. So right now two zones have been created, one on the bottom at 1.02014 and the other at the top, it's a seller zone. It's like from 1.0496 to 1.0538. So these two zones we have to keep that in mind and look out for rejections. So yeah, so there is no much to discuss on Euro USD, as it is perfectly going within a two zones. Let's check it out again tomorrow, guys. So please do follow me on TradingView as well as on Instagram and YouTube for more videos like this, or technical for technical analysis on these pairs. In case if you want to do technical analysis on any other particular pairs also, please do DM me to look out the chat and help you understand like what is what. So this is just for the education purpose only, guys. Just keep this in mind and help yourself before you take out any trade. Thank you guys, and please do subscribe. Please do subscribe BIPA Forex Academy. Thank you.